In this video, we're looking at what fractions are and how we can simplify them. So when we talk about fractions, we're really just talking about parts of a whole number, like 1/2 or 3/4. And we write them as a numerator, which is at the top, over a denominator at the bottom. For example, if we had a pizza, split it into 4 parts, and then gave somebody 3 of them, they would have 3/4, or 3/4 of the pizza, and we'd be left with 1/4. So the number on top tells you how many pieces you have, and the number on the bottom tells you how many pieces there are in one whole. When you're asked to simplify a fraction, you basically need to make the numerator and denominator as small as possible. And to do this, we divide them both by the same number. For example, if we had 12/18, both of these numbers are divisible by 6. So we can divide them by 6 and get 2 as our new numerator and 3 as our new denominator. So 2/3 is our simplified version. If you didn't know that both of them were divisible by 6 though, you could have divided them both by a smaller number like 2 to get 6/9, and then divided them both by 3 to get 2/3. You basically just keep on dividing them until you can't go any smaller. The key point to remember when you're simplifying fractions is you have to divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For example, we divided both by 2 to get 6/9, and then both by 3 to get 2/3. Because of this, all of these fractions are equivalent to each other. We can see this more clearly if we represent each of the fractions as a ring. 12/18 means that our ring has been split into 18 sections, and we only have 12 of them. 6/9 means that the ring is split into 9 sections, and we have 6 of them. And 2/3 means that it's been split into 3 sections, and we have 2 of them. As you can see, even though each ring has been split into a different number of sections, exactly the same amount of each ring has been shaded. And this is what we mean when we say that they're all equivalent. Let's have a go at these 2 questions. In this first one, we need to simplify the fraction 4/12. The quick way to do this would be to divide top and bottom by 4, which gives us 1/3 straight away. However, you could also have done it by dividing by 2 first to get 2/6, and then by 2 again to get 1/3. Either way, you end up with the same correct answer. For this second one, we need to simplify 20/25. And there's actually only one number that goes into both of these, which is 5. So we have to divide top and bottom by 5, which gives us 4/5, or 4/5, as our simplified version. Anyway, that's everything for this video, so hope you found it useful, and we'll see you soon.